Y'all, who even am I coming in here with a new video? Because I got a new washing machine. I had the Whirlpool washing machine. Everybody told me it was crap. And I was like, no, it's working fine. No, it in fact was crap. It stopped, stopping spinning at the end of the cycle. So I would have to unplug it after every single use. And then eventually it just stopped draining. So, got rid of that guy. Got this one in. This is the one my mom has. It is an LG. I'm not made of money, man. I couldn't replace them both, so no, they don't match, but it is what it is. So this one just finished. It's complete. They just dropped it off, put it together, and then, or not put it together, but like installed it. And now I'm going to do my first cycle. They said to do the quick wash first, and then I can run my load of laundry. So I will obviously make another video with the quick guide, but let's do our first load of laundry. I'm going to spare you watching me put the laundry in here. Okay, actually I read the directions and you're supposed to put the soap at the bottom. Fabric softener goes in here. All right, we'll add the fabric softener here in the middle. Obviously got to spread it around the drum. Now that it's filled, let's close it. Okay. We could do water level auto, low, medium, high, or max. I'm going to leave it on auto. We're going to do cold, quick wash. You could do whites, casuals, activewear, sanitized towels, etc. We'll do an extra spin. And then normal. And then let's see. And then we'll just... There we go. Okay, I did do the extra spin, which I actually think is a great feature on this. So I feel like my towels are nice and wrung out to go into the dryer. The first cycle was really nice. I am mad at myself that I didn't get this washer and dryer set sooner. Well, actually, this time I only got the washer because, like, I'm not replacing this dryer if I don't have to. Save myself an extra $500. Anyways, if you guys have any questions about this washing machine, definitely let me know. First wash looking good. I'll be reviewing the manual here in another video. But anyways, thank you so much, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.